Next topic is the epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue is the tissue which is covering the body cavity, and it is also covers the organs inner and outside. So that's why epithelial tissue is also called the covering tissue. And some epithelial tissue, they are secreting a special secretion. Those are called the glandular tissue. Now come to the covering tissue. They are further divided into simple, compound and pseudocolumnar. Simple, compound. Compound is also called the stratified and pseudocolumnar epithelial tissue. And what is the basic structure it is containing is epithelial tissue. They take the support by the basement membrane and nourished by the reticular membrane. Now come to the types. First one is the squamous, simple squamous epithelial, which are flat tail and nucleus. Oval nucleus is present at the center. We are also called the pavement layer. Generally, this squamous epithelial tissue is covering, filtration and diffusion. They undergo these functions. So cover. So endothelium of blood vessels, mesothelium like pericardia, pleura and peritoneum. And it is also inner lining of the Bowman's capsule. So that means nephron, which is helpful for the filtration, and wall of alveoli, which is for the diffusion. Next one is the cuboidal. Simple cuboidal. The structure of cell is cube shape and nucleus is spherically present at the center. Generally, these cuboid cells are located at the proximal convoluted tubule, digital convoluted tubule of the nephron. Then what is the difference between these PCT and DCT? The main difference here is PCT is absorbing the whatever electrolytes present in the urine. That's why it requires the microvilli. So PCT is containing microvilli, DCT doesn't containing the microvilli. And other examples are the germinal layers, thyroid vesicles. Now come to the third one, simple columnar epithelial cells. So these simple columnar epithelial cells are elongated structure and nucleus ovoid shape, and they are located at the base. And at the middle of these columnar epithelial cells, goblet cells are present. Which cells are present? Goblet cells are present, which are secreting the mucus. So this is structure of columnar. Columnar is again divided into ciliated, non-ciliated. Hair-like structure, cilia is present, we are calling ciliated. Non-ciliated, cilia is absent. Now come to the ciliated, they are located at the bronchi. So why they are located in bronchi? To remove the foreign particles present in the air what we are inhaled. And fallopian tube, they push the ovum to undergo the fertilization. And ventricles of the brain, they flip the cerebrospinal fluid by its hair to push that cerebrospinal fluid in the ventricles. So ciliated is present in bronchi, fallopian tube and ventricle. If cilia is absent, then we are calling it is a non-ciliated. So non-ciliated, that means cilia is absent. Instead of cilia, here microvilli is present. So where the microvilli is morely present in our body? Intestine. So why? Because they are increasing the surface area and increasing the absorption. That's why non-ciliated is present in the intestine. So these are the three types of simple epithelial cells which are present in our body.